What's up, MetaVerse update crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire dive into the bleeding edge of tech. First up, we're talking about the future of computing and asking the big question. Is IBM the best quantum computing stock on the market right now? They've been quietly building a quantum empire, and we're spilling all the details on their strategy and why it might be a game changer. Next, we're shifting gears to the financial sector, where D-Wave Quantum is making waves. They're demonstrating their latest quantum annealing technology, and it's set to revolutionize how banks and investment firms handle massive data sets. We'll explore how this could unlock new levels of portfolio optimization and risk assessment. Then, hold on to your hats because Nvidia's Jensen Huang is making a stunning about-face. After years of playing it cool, he's now betting billions on the next computing era, reversing Nvidia's quantum strategy. We'll break down what this seismic shift means for the future of quantum computing and the startups he's backing. And finally, we're tying it all together to reveal which of these quantum contenders might just be the best bet for your portfolio. It's a wild ride through the quantum landscape, so make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. You won't want to miss a second of this. Is IBM the best quantum computing stock? Quantum computing is poised to completely reshape industries, from groundbreaking drug discovery to unbreakable cryptography, with projections estimating the global market could hit $7.3 billion by 2030. While many companies like IonQ and Rigetti computing grab headlines with prototypes and partnerships, they often struggle with revenue and see volatile stock performance. IBM, however, has adopted a different, more strategic approach. Since 2017, IBM has quietly accumulated $1 billion in quantum business and has laid out a clear, ambitious roadmap towards fault-tolerant quantum systems by 2029. They are already operating multiple advanced quantum systems globally and lead a network of nearly 300 organizations utilizing their cloud-based quantum platform. This long-term vision includes their Starling system, planned for 2029, which aims for 200 logical qubits and 100 million quantum gates, a true milestone in the field. IBM's commitment is further underscored by a massive $150 billion investment in America over 5 years, with over $30 billion earmarked for quantum and mainframe R&D, a financial muscle few competitors can match. While quantum currently represents a small fraction of IBM's overall revenue, this offers investors exposure to quantum's potential without the high-stakes risk associated with pure-play companies. In contrast, pure-play stocks like IonQ and Rigetti are valued at high multiples relative to their minimal revenue, with profitability still years away according to analysts. D-Wave Quantum, utilizing quantum annealing, also faces similar valuation challenges. IBM's established hybrid cloud and AI businesses provide stable cash flow, funding its quantum ambitions and offering shareholders a profitable enterprise with dividends and AI exposure, making it a potentially safer, yet powerful, bet on the quantum future. But is IBM's strategic patience enough to secure the quantum crown? Next, we'll see how D-Wave Quantum is bringing its unique annealing technology directly to the financial sector. D-Wave demonstrates latest in quantum annealing to financial sector. Quantum computing is rapidly evolving, and D-Wave Quantum is at the forefront, showcasing its advanced quantum annealing technology, particularly its relevance to the financial services sector. Throughout September, D-Wave has been actively participating in major tech events like FinTech Nation 25, Quantum World Congress, and SEMICON Taiwan, with their leadership team highlighting significant technical progress. At FinTech Nation 25 in Dublin, D-Wave's VP of Quantum Technology Evangelism, Murray Tom, is set to discuss how these innovations can benefit the financial industry. Unlike general-purpose quantum computers from giants like IBM or Google, quantum annealing is a specialized form of quantum computing. While still in its nascent stages, it's showing remarkable maturity and potential within finance, especially for optimizing the analysis of vast datasets. Quantum annealing excels at exploring a broader range of solutions than classical algorithms, making it ideal for tasks like investment portfolio optimization and asset allocation. It can identify portfolio elements, offering superior risk-adjusted returns while simultaneously accounting for liquidity requirements, regulatory constraints, and even internal factors like ESG policies. Major financial institutions such as Deutsche Bank, J.P. Morgan Chase, and Goldman Sachs are already exploring D-Wave systems, with early indications suggesting modest improvements over traditional computing methods. Beyond portfolio management, D-Wave's technology is being applied to risk assessment, traditionally a computationally intensive simulation process. Furthermore, its capabilities in parsing large-scale data are seen as a potential breakthrough for fraud prevention, enabling faster identification of anomalous transactions. Despite current limitations in stable qubits and the need for specialized expertise to integrate quantum and classical systems, the financial sector is investing heavily in this emerging technology. Could D-Wave's annealing approach be the key to unlocking financial markets' next frontier? Get ready, because Nvidia's Jensen Huang is making a surprising pivot that could change everything. Nvidia's Jensen Huang reverses quantum strategy, bets billions on next computing era. In a significant strategic shift, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is dramatically altering the company's approach to quantum computing. After years of expressing skepticism about the technology's near-term viability and timeline, Huang is now making substantial investments, pouring billions into quantum startups and signaling a major U-turn for the tech titan. This reversal comes as a surprise given Nvidia's previous stance, which often emphasized the longer road ahead for practical quantum applications. However, the burgeoning potential and rapid advancements in the field appear to have convinced Huang and Nvidia to aggressively pursue opportunities in this next computing era. While specific details of the investments and the startups involved are still emerging, this move suggests Nvidia sees quantum computing not as a distant prospect, but as a critical component of future technological landscapes. The implications of Nvidia's renewed focus are vast. The company's influence and resources could accelerate development and adoption of quantum technologies, potentially driving innovation across various sectors. This strategic pivot also positions Nvidia to play a more central role in the quantum ecosystem, complementing its dominance in AI and high-performance computing. But what does this mean for the established players and the future investment landscape? Finally, we'll break down the quantum stock that might be your safest bet in this explosive market. Is IBM the best quantum computing stock? Quantum computing is on the cusp of revolutionizing numerous sectors, from medicine to cybersecurity, with market projections reaching $7.3 billion by 2030. While many companies like IonQ and Rigetti Computing are making headlines with their prototypes and partnerships, they often lack significant revenue and experience volatile stock prices. International Business Machines, or IBM, has taken a more measured approach, quietly securing $1 billion in quantum business since 2017 and outlining a clear path to fault-tolerant systems by 2029. IBM's strategy is characterized by concrete milestones, aiming for quantum advantage by 2026, and its Starling system with 200 logical qubits by 2029. The company already operates multiple large-scale quantum systems and leads a network of nearly 300 organizations accessing its cloud platform. This commitment is backed by a substantial $150 billion investment in the U.S. over 5 years, including over $30 billion dedicated to quantum and mainframe research and development, a financial power few rivals possess. While quantum computing is a minor part of IBM's current revenue, this provides investors with quantum optionality without the high risk of pure-play stocks. Companies like IonQ and Rigetti, despite their promise, are trading at high multiples relative to their minimal revenue, with profitability still distant. D-Wave Quantum, using a different annealing approach, also faces similar valuation concerns. IBM, conversely, is a profitable enterprise offering steady cash flow from its hybrid cloud and AI businesses, which funds its quantum development. This financial stability means IBM can deliver on its quantum roadmap, or shareholders will still benefit from a robust technology company with dividends and AI exposure, making it a compelling choice for those seeking credible quantum progress without existential risk. Quantum is heating up, but who's really winning the race? We've covered IBM's strategic play, D-Wave's financial innovations, and Nvidia's surprising pivot. Stick around for our closing thoughts and the ultimate quantum stock pick. And that's a wrap on today's quantum update. We saw IBM's strategic dominance in quantum, D-Wave Quantum's annealing tech hitting the financial world, and Nvidia's Jensen Huang making a major U-turn on quantum strategy. Plus, we broke down which stock might be your best bet in this rapidly evolving space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your future tech news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content.